Welcome back, YouTube family. This is Aunt Jisha again, advising you about coming to America. So, before you pack your bags, in case you win any kind of visa, diversity visa, family visa, work visa, please stop and listen to me before you pack your bags. Hi, so family, look here. Look here on my table. All these are bills, 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 and bills. In order for me to pay these bills, I have to get a job. I've worked 2 jobs and gone to school. So when you come here, prepare to get down and study and work. If you're lucky and you get a good job, good for you. But in most cases, you have to start somewhere. You have to do any job. You may be coming with a degree, yeah, but you had a degree or a master's degree, but it was hanging on the wall. So it was as good as useless. So when you come here, remember that your degree was working on the wall. So find any job that will pay your bills, any job that will help you and your family, and do it. So number one, before you pack your bags, know that money does not grow on trees. Hello? Money does not grow on trees. You have to earn it. You see many people sending money to Africa, to Asia. No, they're working 2 jobs, some 3 jobs, and they have to send you money. So when you come down, be prepared to work. Money does not grow on trees. Yes, money does not grow on trees. Number two, coming to America is a process. You need some documentation to come to the United States. You need a social security card that allows you to work in the United States. You need an ID. You need a driver's license, also an identity card. And you need what do you need? You need a community. Number three, find a community. We've seen people who come here, people have brought them and locked them in houses. I told them not to get anywhere, scared them about other people, that, oh, don't be scared, don't go over there. These people are so bad. That's not true. No, don't listen to them. Find a community. And I'll add number four, believe in God. Trust in God and do the right thing. If you do the right thing, your dream will come true. Yes, you know what they say? The grass is always greener on the other side. But you know what? You have to make it green. You have to make it green. Okay, family? So number one, before you pack your bags, know that money does not grow on trees. Number two, it's a process. You need some documentation. You need a social security card that allows you to work. You need an ID. You need a work permit, depending on how you came here. So be prepared for all this. So don't let anyone lie to you that, oh, I'll get you a job. No, it's not like you get on a flight and voila, you get a job. No, that's a process. That's a process unless they do it their way. This is the right way. And number four, like I said, believe in God, trust in God. Your dream will come true. Your dream will come true. Yeah. You've had a movie Coming to America about Hollywood, and some dreams come true, some don't. So that's how America is. This is America, land of dreams. Some dreams come true, some don't. So keep on dreaming. No, I'm kidding. Your dreams come true when you make them happen, okay? You make your dream happen. All right, family. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring a bell. See you next time.